Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to create borders in Excel. So let's get started. So basically, before showing the borders, I've just removed the grid lines. You can go to View tab and click Grid Lines to remove the borders. So if you want to just create the borders for any of the columns, you just need to select those rows and just click this drop down. You can see there are different types of borders. Based on your requirement, you can click on any of the borders. So in this case, I will just select all borders. So it has created this border. So in case, just in case, if you want to create borders with colors, you select this thing and then select borders, then select more borders, then you can select the color from here. If you want blue color, you can select blue color. Over here you can see there are options, different types of borders which you can select. Now in this you can select which section of border you need only the outer part or you also need the inner part. You can also have a diagonal one, but that I don't think so will be required. So you just click OK and it will create those for you. Okay, so in this case we have created a border which is having, okay, again if you want to just go again to that border section, just click on the icon over here and it will create it for you. So just make sure you select the right section, so automatically it gives black color. And like color you can select different dashes for borders as well. And that's it for the day. If you have any queries, you can just drop me on the comment section. And if you like this video, then you can subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.